what's up you guys? Welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the earring subscription box called Earfleek. So Earfleek is this insanely cheap subscription box where you can get one pair of earrings every month. So I think this will be a pretty quick unboxing, but I thought I would show you guys what I got. So this is the package. On the other side is my address. It's pretty cute polka dot design, and it also says a girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. So thank you Coco Chanel for your wise wisdom. And then right here it says Earfleek. So let's see what I got. Alright, so opening this up is, whoa, I have no idea what's going on here. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. I love the style of the subscription box. It says, so this has a little card right here. Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings just for you, style just for you. Hope you love your new bling. P.S. share, and yeah. What a cute design. It's like pop, and what is this? Oh, I guess it's a gift card. Give a free month, get a free, give a free month, get a free year. So when 5 friends stay for 12 months, I can get a year of Earfleek free. So this is pretty cool that they give me actual gift cards. Sorry, I haven't gotten into the actual pair of earrings yet. Wow, that's pretty cool that they actually give a gift card. So yeah, I don't think any of my friends would want to subscribe to this for a year, but yeah. And then looking at the earrings, here they are. So they give you a choice of style options, which I think is pretty cool. I got minimalist and groovy. That's the style that I got. And I think, I don't know, I guess minimalist and groovy does kind of, maybe not groovy, but minimalist kind of defines my style when it comes to earrings and jewelry. Just something super simple, but you could also get things that are super wild. Whoa, these are cute. Whoa, okay. I did not realize these would be dangly earrings, which makes me love them even more. So when looking at them in the box, I really thought they were, what's it called? I thought they were going to be a pair of like black diamond studs, but this is even cuter, and I actually don't have a good pair of dangly earrings like this, so this is super exciting. Aw, yay, I like them. Okay, so let's try these on and show you what they look like. So putting them on, I'm realizing that because it doesn't really have a place for you to push the thing into, you kind of just have to like grab it and then push the earring back into it, which is like not a bad thing, but you know when like you put on studs, it's just like kind of like just pop them right in. Are they cute? Are they cute? Oh, I love this. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. These are, oh, did I put them on the wrong ear, or like, are they like dangly? I don't know, but oh, that's so cute. And I like think that's like actually like super elegant. I think this is a good like, I don't know, wear it with like a dress kind of like outfit, like a black dress or something. I don't know, I'm getting way too excited. I love these earrings, like seriously. Wow, they did a good job. When I was like, am I actually gonna like these? And I was like, I don't really wear black earrings, but I like it. Okay, so yeah, go subscribe to Earfleek. Let me pull up the price of it, and it's actually super affordable if I remember correctly. So you can get one pair of earrings for $3.49 including shipping. So if that's not as cheap as it gets, I don't know what is, like seriously. Probably literally the cheapest subscription box ever. Yeah, and I don't know how long these are going to hold up since they're so cheap, but I mean like, that's fine. And yeah, you can get, they usually have like a first box or like a little subscription discount thing. So right now they're having a $1.50 off on all orders with code MOMSDAY. So there you go for that. And yeah, I got these for like $1.50 because I had a coupon code. So that's so exciting. I actually think I'm going to stay subscribed to this because, like, come on, who doesn't love cool earrings in the mail? And they're super cheap. So yeah, if you guys want to check out Earfleek, I will link them in the description. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you want to see more, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!